Hi friends, this is Monish from Technical Monish, and in today's video we are going to see the complete step-by-step process on how to register for this Google Arcade Facilitator program from scratch. So all you need to do is have your mobile phone with you and watch the same video you are doing on your mobile phone, and in your laptop do the steps I follow so that we can do it simultaneously and complete the registration within 10 minutes. So first thing I need you to do is just open your browser on your laptop. So it may be any browser, Chrome or anything. So just open your browser and all the links are given in the description. So make sure to check them out. First website you need to go is skills.google. So first you need to open the skills.google website and click on sign in. Then click on sign in with Google and select your Gmail account. So it asks you for password or else passkey. So make sure to do it and then click on continue. And once after you click on continue, you'll be able to see this page and enter your date of birth. So try to make sure that your age is above 18. Then only you'll be able to participate in this program. Then click on I accept. Then it asks you for a verification. So just take out your mobile phone and scan the QR code which is shown over there. So it shows something like this and then click on confirm verification and yes, you are done. So once after you do this, it asks you to start learning at zero cost with gear. For this arcade facilitator program, you should have this gear badge. Then only you are allowed to get all the swags for free. So now after you get this home page, you just need to click on your profile and click on settings. And in the settings, make sure to have this checked on. Make public profile. So you should have a public profile to participate in this facilitator program. So once if you get that, you'll be having this profile link. So make sure to copy your profile link in your notes or notepad so that it will be useful for you in the future application process. So just need to paste the public profile over here and also make sure to have the same email ID. So mine is coding with technicalmonish@gmail.com. So make sure you have the same email ID in your notes as well. Coding with technicalmonish@gmail.com. So make sure you have this public profile URL, your mail, and one more link which I'll be telling you in a video. So once after you make this public profile, you need to join the Gear program. For that, you need to go to this website and the website link is given in the description so you can check it out there. So if you just go to this website, it will take some time. Then click on join Gear. Click on become member and it asks you city or town. I am from Tirupati, so I'm selecting Tirupati. At I'm studying at Mohan Babu University, and I am a student. Then you can choose your first name and last name. So since my mail is having coding with technical Monish, I'm giving the same, and you can give your first name and last name over here, and click on submit, and then click on become member. Okay, so already you have become a member in this and you can see you earned the Gemini Enterprise Agent Ready badge and the badge has been added to your profile. So now click on View Profile. So if you can see this profile, this is my profile of developer Google and you can see coding with technical Monish student at Mohun Babu University and I have got this gear badge on July 14th. And you need to click on this settings, and in the settings you need to make sure that your account is public. So it is in private, so you need to make it public. Once after it has become public, you can have your own username. Like, since this is my coding with Technical Monish account, I'll be using coding with TM. So it says it is available. So click on save vanity ID. Click on confirm. So what happens is, to access my profile, I just need to use this URL. So once go to this profile, and if you click on this copy link, you can see this g.dev/coding with TM. This is the URL which we have clicked while save with vanity. So you need to make sure that you have this URL with you ready as well. So these three are the most important URLs which you need to be having saved in your notepad or notes, so that you can go through this application process. So once after you get this gear badge, and make sure that both your profiles, skills profile and developer profile, is public, and then now you need to go to this third website. So it is Cloud Skills Arcade, and click on subscribe here. So once after you click on subscribe here, it asks you for the mail. So the mail is the one which we copied here. So copy this and paste it. Click on next. Then you need to click on yes and I acknowledge terms. Then click on submit. Now once after we submit, that's it. We have successfully completed the prerequisites for this Arcade Facilitator program. Now let us go to the official application and let's start filling the form. So once after you complete the prerequisites for this facilitator program, now is the main step for registration process and enrolling into the program. So all I need to do is go to the link which I have given in the description, and it should look something like this: rsdp.withgoogle.com. So this is the facilitator program, and you can see that it starts at July 13th from 5 p.m. to 14 September 2026, and they mentioned that registration closes once all the seats are full or on July 20th. So make sure you register it quickly. Now click on enroll in this program here. Then you'll be redirected to this enrolling page and see the important things. So first one we can ignore it simply, and second one also they said that referral code. So we will be giving you the referral code, so no worries. Then make sure you have signed into your skills, Google skills. In the prerequisites we have opened the skills.google and we have made our public profile. So we need to make sure that it is public. And then they also mentioned that make sure you have earned the gear program badge, and we have done it. And they told us to complete arcade games first and make sure to use the laptop or PC. So since we are all done, just click on enroll in this program and over here in the next page I have accept the terms. So it asks some normal details, coding with Technical Monish, mail, country, then I'm a student and year of graduation is 2028. Do you have a referral code? Click on yes, click on next. Then it asks you for facilitator referral code. So we already have a community on WhatsApp group where we can share the easy tips and tricks for earning badges, and also all the problems or queries which you have, you can ask them over here. So here we have our referral code. The referral code will be also given in the description, so you can check it out. Then paste the referral code over here. Then it asks, do you have an account on Google Skills? So Yes, I have an account with no or few badge completions. Click on next. Then it asks us for making our profile public, and we have done this in prerequisites itself. So, and they are asking the profile. So the first link which we have copied in the notes, just paste it over here. If you can't find this, then again go to this skills.google, and in skills.google click on settings, and this is the public URL. So you need to copy this and paste it here. Then it is asking enter the email address connected with Google Skills. So the email connected with Google Skills is coding with Technical Monish, and I'm pasting it over here. Click on next. Then it asks us for gear badge, and since you have completed the gear badge, you need to click on I verify that I have enrolled in the program and received my gear badge. Once after you have got your gear badge, then you need to have this arcade gear badge as well. So you need to click on this URL and will be redirected to this, and just wait for 5 to 10 seconds, and you can see you earn this arcade gear badge. In the prerequisites we just got the gear badge, and this is arcade gear badge. If you click on view profile, you will be now having two gear badges. So this is gear badge and this is arcade gear badge, and you need to click on I verify. And now they are asking us to share this Google developer profile. So since I already copied this, copy this and paste it over here. If you can't find this, just go to this profile where you can see all these gear badges and click on this copy profile link to clipboard, and you can paste it over here. Then click on next. I acknowledge, and then click on, and you can see the instructions. You can get free credits on Google Skills, and you can avail 750 credits for each pass, and there is a video on how you can earn the
Chaos
free
isn't music
badges
to
as well.
anybody's ears.
So make sure that you will be getting your free credits of 750, and click on submit. So it can take up to 28 to 48 hours to receive the enrollment email. So please be patient and keep out an eye. And thank you so much for enrolling. And yeah, now just check out this email, and you'll be getting three emails: one for starting your Google Developer Program, then for completing this subscription form, and then for filling out this Arcade Facilitator registration process. So once after you get this form which you have filled, so you just need to wait for 24 to 48 hours, and you'll be getting a confirmation email, and you can get your free 750 credits. Along with that, you can start earning your badges. So that's it for today's video. And don't, if you want to join a community where there are hundreds of participants for this Arcade Facilitator program, and if you have any queries and if you want to ask them, this is the place where we'll be having all the support and doubt solving sessions over here. So make sure to join our WhatsApp community. The link is also given in the description. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have any queries, join our WhatsApp group, and you can feel free to ping us and ask your queries. And we are here to help you out. Thank you for watching. Bye.